Alright, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on a 2nd gen Saab 9.3. Alright, first thing you need to do is turn your AC on max with the car running, and then you'll pop your hood. Alright, we've got the engine running with the AC turned on full blast, fan all the way up, and the temperature dial turned all the way to cold as far as it'll go. Next, you can see right down here, this is your low pressure side AC port. And we want to take that cap off. You can see it's open there. So then you're just going to press this down on top of it and it'll snap down over top. Got our adapter there pushed all the way on. You look on our gauge here and it says 0. So we're just going to pull the trigger and tilt the can a little bit here every few seconds. Check again, see now it's got some pressure in there. Now you'll be able to, it's going to be really hard to see, but if you look down here at your AC compressor, so you get the focus. It's really bright, it's hard to see down there, but if you look down at your AC compressor, which is the below this belt here, so it's next fully down. If the compressor is not spinning, then your compressor is not engaging. So we're just gonna put a little bit more in here. You should hear it click and pop on. It'll idle the engine down. Okay, see how the needle's moving like that? That's because the compressor is kicking on and then hitting the low pressure switch and kicking off. We need to put more in here. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but I can hear a faint click every time it pops off. So I'm going to keep filling this up until it kind of stays, above there and the compressor isn't kicking off. This might take you 3-4 minutes. Alright, now you can see how it's staying steady right there. That's what you want to see. My can's just about empty here. Ideally, you could fill it up a little farther into the green, but I'm going to call this one good for right now. I might go pick up another can a little bit later, one of the smaller cans to fill it up. But that's about all there is to it. Then you're just going to lift up on the little bottom here. You just lift up on this and it pops right off, and you can screw your cap back on. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. That would help me out a lot. Thanks.